Hey guys, how's it going? This is Yair from Real Bros Auto Pros and Alloy Gators, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install some alloy gators. Now, when you're doing the back wheel on a Tesla, you're going to notice that it doesn't turn. So you're going to want to hop inside the Tesla, go over to services, go over to towing, and you're gonna want to put transport mode. Now after it's blue, you're gonna want to hop out and notice now your back wheel is able to turn. Now the first step of doing the alloy gators, it's very simple. You're gonna want to take off the pressure gauge cap. Don't forget this because you're gonna be putting it back on at the end. And removing the stem valve because you want it to be an empty wheel. You also want to clean the surface of the wheel. Make sure it's nice and clean. Another thing you want to make sure is that all your metal teeth are inside the Tesla alloy gator already. We're gonna start right here, right in the middle. I'm gonna put some lubricant so it goes in much easier. And we're gonna start right here, right where the valve is. Check it out. We're gonna keep going. Alrighty. Now once you're near the end, you're gonna want to grab your alloy gator clippers, and we're gonna mark it right about here. So I give it a marking. Now I'm gonna give it a nice little cut a little bit before that. So it's right there. And this is gonna go right here, right in between these two. You're gonna wanna put some super glue. This is what we're gonna do that once we put it up to 15. So as you can see, those teeth will go inside this little pocket that's right here. Let me try to show it to you guys a little bit better. As you can see right there, this little pocket. So let's put it in. After that, we're gonna put the stem valve back on. And we're gonna bring the wheel's tire pressure back to 15. Alrighty, we're there. So the next step is very simple. What you're gonna wanna do is take this out a little bit, just a tad bit, for you to be able to see the teeth once again. Almost there. Almost there. There we go. You're gonna grab your super glue and put some super glue in between there to make sure that those two pieces will stay glued together. Do it all around again. Great. Now we're gonna bring the Tesla's tire pressure back to 42. Alrighty, that seems about right. As you can see, it's nice and flush. No issues at all. Then the next step will be, you're gonna want to put your cap back on, which is this bad boy right here. Three dabs of glue, and then we're gonna put it on. So you wait about 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we can start cleaning it off. And that's how you install an alloy gator, guys. Be sure to check us out at Detail Pro Tools. And go check out alloy gators, because they're the best rim protection available. Take it easy, guys.